Do you ever find yourself craving those ultra-rich, mouth-watering slices of salami in your sandwich? Hold that thought, because what you're about to discover might change the way you look at every bite. It all starts with the star of the show. The beef. The best salami begins at the farm, where only top-tier cattle breeds like Angus and Hereford are chosen for their bold flavors and perfect fat-to-lean ratio. Some farmers prefer grass-fed beef for its deep, earthy taste, while others opt for grain finishing to achieve that gorgeous marbling. Stress-free handling isn't just an ethical choice, it's essential for tender, flavorful meat. Once the premium beef arrives at the processing facility, the transformation begins. Not every cut makes the cut. Only those with just the right balance of fat and lean meat are selected. Fat is more than just flavor, it's what gives salami its signature texture and irresistible richness. Those creamy white flecks you see in each slice, that's the magic. The meat is mixed in giant machines, blending in a closely guarded seasoning recipe. While every producer has their own secret, the classics, salt, black pepper, garlic, and fennel seeds, never fail. From here the mixture is fed into high-powered stuffing machines, filling natural or collagen casings with flawless precision. Natural casings, often from animal intestines, breathe and help the curing process, while collagen casings provide uniformity for large-scale production. The linked salamis are hung in temperature-controlled curing rooms for weeks, sometimes months for premium varieties, slowly developing their deep savory flavor. When curing is complete, a select few salamis are tested. The perfect slice should reveal a rich red meat with evenly distributed fat. Once approved, the logs head to slicing machines, where razor-sharp blades spin at incredible speeds, cutting thousands of uniform slices per hour. Uniformity isn't just for aesthetics, it ensures perfect stacking, easy storage, and the ideal sandwich bite every time. But salami isn't the only star in the world of savory meats. Let's move to another timeless favorite. Sausages. Here it begins with fresh, boneless meat, ground in stages to achieve a smooth, lump-free texture. Frozen meat is often added, not just for convenience but to kill harmful bacteria, extend shelf life, and perfect the shape. Spices are carefully measured, whether for a fiery kick or a mellow, comforting flavor. Ice is added during mixing to maintain juiciness and consistency. Then come the eggs. Only yolks are used here, cracked and separated by automated machines before being whisked into the mixture. Once blended to perfection, the mixture is piped into natural casings, soaked and prepared to ensure flexibility and prevent tearing. Each sausage is shaped to precise measurements, cut and prepared for drying. The smoking process is where magic meets science. Hanging sausages in carefully spaced rows ensures even smoke penetration, enhancing flavor while also acting as a natural preservative. This not only deepens the taste, but extends shelf life without relying on artificial additives. After drying, they're separated with air pressure, packaged and ready to grace your plate, whether nestled in a bun with mustard or sliced into a hearty stew. Every single day, millions of people around the globe twist open a Pepsi bottle and take that iconic first sip. How do we know? Because we're one of them. There's something unmistakable about Pepsi's flavor, a perfectly calibrated blend of sweetness and subtle citrus that keeps people coming back for more. But the taste is only part of the story. What really sets Pepsi apart is its approach to sustainability and innovation. Their unique refillable glass bottles aren't just visually nostalgic, they're a major step in the fight against plastic waste. These sturdy containers are designed for repeated use, reducing environmental impact while maintaining the crisp, clean flavor that only glass can preserve. And for Pepsi, it's not just good ethics, it's good business. Refillable bottles build brand loyalty and drive repeat purchases, creating a win-win for both the planet and the company. Inside the bottling plants, the automation is nothing short of mesmerizing. Rows of glistening machines fill, seal, and package Pepsi bottles with zero human intervention. It's high-speed, high-precision work that ensures your next sip is as fresh as the last. And when it comes to their 1.5-liter plastic bottles, convenience takes center stage. These larger bottles are built for sharing and come with a resealable cap that keeps the fizz locked in for multiple servings. You might have noticed some bottles with a dark, almost black hue. There's a reason for that. While black plastic poses challenges for recycling due to difficulties in detection, PepsiCo is actively working on solutions to improve their recyclability, ensuring even these sleek designs don't compromise on environmental responsibility. Now let me confess, I'm not actually a big Pepsi drinker. My loyalty lies elsewhere, and I'll get to that in just a bit. When we think of automation, we imagine machines doing most of the work, with humans stepping in for quality control. And for many, the gold standard of fast food. But what if I told you that behind each crispy bite is a fascinating, highly engineered journey few ever get to see? This isn't just about potatoes and oil. It's about precision farming, science-backed techniques, and next-level logistics. Today we unlock the hidden world of how McDonald's creates the most famous fries on Earth, from the rich volcanic soils of the Pacific Northwest, all the way to your tray. It all starts with a humble yet special ingredient, the potato. But not just any kind. McDonald's demands millions of pounds of premium potatoes every year, and the champion of them all, the russet Burbank. Long, starchy, and with just the right moisture content, this variety is ideal for that crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside magic. Its size allows for the long fries McDonald's is known for, and its structure ensures optimal oil absorption during frying. These prized potatoes are grown mostly in Idaho, Washington, and Oregon, regions known for nutrient-rich volcanic soil and cool, stable climates. The result? Cameras and sensors scan each potato. If it's too small, too damaged, or simply not up to standard, it's redirected for use in animal feed or other products. Waste is minimized, quality is not. Once approved, the potatoes are peeled using massive steam and abrasion-based machines. They're then sliced into fries with mind-blowing precision. Water jet technology, pressurized to thousands of psi, ensures each fry is the exact size needed. Uniformity matters, because every fry must cook evenly. Next comes blanching. Fries are quickly boiled to remove excess sugars and starch. This keeps them from turning too brown or cooking unevenly later. After blanching, they're cooled and head straight into the first fry. This partial fry is done in a carefully developed oil blend, typically a mix of canola, soybean, and hydrogenated oils. It's hot and fast, just enough to form a crispy outer layer. Then the fries are flash frozen. That rapid freezing locks in flavor and texture, preventing the formation of damaging ice crystals. From there they are packed in massive vacuum-sealed bags, labeled, and sent to cold storage. But the story isn't over. These frozen fries now embark on a meticulously coordinated distribution journey. They rest quietly in freezers, waiting for the final transformation. The last stage happens just moments before they land in your hands. When you order, the frozen fries are loaded into commercial fryers, set precisely at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. They cook for 3 to 4 minutes, enough to turn golden and develop that signature crisp. Timers and basket lifts ensure consistency, and once they're done, they're salted with a perfected formula that enhances flavor without overwhelming. You might think it's just salt, but there's more. Before freezing, fries receive a light dextrose coating, a type of sugar, which ensures their iconic golden color. Some regions also use natural beef flavoring to enhance taste, depending on local preferences. One medium serving has around 320 calories, 15 grams of fat, and 260 milligrams of sodium. Not a health food, but undeniably satisfying, and McDonald's has made strides in making them better. Trans fats are out. Healthier oils are in. AI-powered quality checks now aid in potato inspection, and even used frying oil is being recycled into biodiesel. From seed to fryer, every single McDonald's fry is the product of exact science, top-tier agriculture, and relentless consistency. That's why, decades later, these fries aren't just fast food. They're a worldwide phenomenon. So the next time you dip a McDonald's fry in ketchup, remember you're tasting more than just a potato. You're experiencing the result of decades of innovation, dedication, and culinary precision. Want to learn how more of your favorite foods are made? Hit like, comment your favorite fast food item, and subscribe for the next deep dive.